Hey guys, California Macky here. Hope you're doing well. Now, I wanted to share with you guys a bit of my progress on learning, and I did learn how to make things jiggle. It's just that diffeomorphic is kind of RAM intensive, so I'm still gonna save up for a little bit more RAM and maybe how to maybe on lessons because I'm taking way too long. So I'm gonna enlist the aid of actual people that can help me learn how to speed this up. Also, I need to figure out how to make the mesh less intensive for the computer that I have. I'm sorry that I'm taking so long with this new direction or hobby or whatever you want to call it, but I'm really excited to make anything at this point. Anyway, I hope to see you guys along my journey, and I'm really excited to share with you everything that I'll try to make. Anyways, California Mack is signing out.